You guys are not going to want to miss these pieces of Shiba Inu news. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure to like this video and make sure to comment down below if you guys are still holding Shiba Inu, what you guys think about this coin, how many tokens you're holding, whatever you guys want to talk about down there. Leave a comment down below so we can see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Also, guys, too, if you guys want a free stock with Public, hit the link down in the description below. You guys can sign up there and deposit $1 and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth up to $70, and it's usually a great selection of companies. Plus, they also have Shiba Inu on their platform as well, so you guys can get on there and start trading Shiba Inu as well, guys. Hit the link down in the description below. You know how it goes. But let's talk Shiba Inu. So unfortunately, guys, we are going through a bit of a red day today. Most of the cryptocurrency market's going through a red day today. On Shiba Inu specifically, we're down just about 10.38% over the last 24 hours. Not beautiful, obviously. But again, I still think there's plenty of things that we can talk about that will hopefully dissuade some of your anxieties, some of your fear, and hopefully we can, make this a better place, right? So here we are on the chart on TradingView. This is what we saw after the Kraken exchange, right, on November 29th. Huge push in the 30th, rather, to the upside, right? Nice little green candles all around. And then, of course, we had the fallback, right? The pullback, if you will. We had a bunch of red candles that led to this. I thought we were going to start consolidating here on December 1st and start consolidating in this kind of area. Unfortunately, I was a little bit misinformed on that after reading more articles and looking more into the technicals, right? Let's pull up really quick here. We're just going to do a quick technical analysis today, guys. We're not going to do it really long. I want to get into the two news articles that we're going to talk about today because I think they are very important to take a look at. So as you can see here, this is the RSI. Every time the RSI does get very hot like this, we do tend to see a pretty substantial pullback. And again, this is just kind of the way the market moves, right? So don't be too frustrated about it. Don't be too scared about it, right? This kind of stuff happens. Again, I am not worried at all. And I want to make this very clear, guys. I am not worried about the long-term future of this coin. I still very much believe in this coin. I still am buying the dips on this coin. I'm not buying today just because the RSI has not dipped below the 30 level. That for me, with this coin, I'm using money that I'm not afraid to get rid of in the first place. It's little pieces of extra money laying around that I have to throw into this coin. So again, it's not that big of a deal in the first place, but I do like to get in at a good cost average. So that being said, I like to buy on these heavy discounted dips, right? All the way down here, all the way down here. That's kind of what I prefer to do. And if you look here, again, the RSI is not super below the 30 level yet. So we're not really at what I would consider this coin rather being oversold, right? So again, hopefully we can start consolidating in this area, guys. This is a huge support level right here for this token. And again, I think that we could bounce off this and start to push back into those higher highs. As long as we don't break below this support level down here, that would concern me a little bit more. But it seems we're holding pretty stable rather at this level. Again, time will have to tell. We'll have to see if this red candle does prove to be larger than expected. I don't think it will. I think if anything, we will bounce off this support level right around in this kind of area and then hopefully head higher very soon. But let's talk the news articles, guys. So the first one, this is a really interesting news article that I think that nobody really I've seen on YouTube is talking about. And why did a Canadian healthcare company add 1.5 million Shiba Inu to its balance sheet? Let's read a little bit more. Very strange indeed. Canadian healthcare company Ask the Doctor has added 1.5 million worth of Shiba Inu to its balance sheet. What happened? In an announcement on Wednesday, the Toronto-based telehealth service said it acquired 31 billion Shiba. Oh, thanks for that. Cool. Create a free account. Nope. 31 billion Shiba Inu tokens worth approximately 1.5 million at the time. Ask the Doctor has added 1.5 million USD to our balance sheet via Kraken. They bought it through Kraken too, which is obviously a very new exchange to list Shiba Inu. Very interesting. They said we are 72 hours away from accepting Shib with our healthcare partners, guys. So we have an official announcement, or for the most part, a official announcement that this telehealth service is going to be accepting Shib as a payment source or as a payment currency to kind of basically get people to use Shiba Inu in their transactions and in their purchasing power whenever they are doing certain services with Ask the Doctor, which is a telehealth service. As you can see here, they are very hip as far as just kind of the overall online trends go and everything. Also very interesting that they're very big advocates for Shib. As you can see here, they keep kind of talking about it, which I think is a very interesting catalyst. And again, I have not seen anybody talk about that specific piece of news. And I do think that it's a good piece of news, if anything, right? But again, and I know people are going to say in the comments, well, it's stupid because nobody cares. I've never heard of that company, nor will I ever use that company. So why should I care? Again, guys, I want to make this clear. Every catalyst matters, even if it's a piece of news that seems irrelevant to you or your personal life or the way you trade this coin, whatever it is. Every piece of news is important at the end of the day. It's speculation, it's rumor, it's hype, it's whatever gets into the people's minds about this coin and gets people talking. Is not necessarily a bad thing, guys. There's really, with Shiba Inu specifically, there is no such thing, in my opinion, as bad publicity. There is such a thing as bad publicity on other things, but that's a different story. But anyways, let's talk about why is Shiba Inu coin crashing today. Let's talk about it. So Shiba Inu traded 7.37% lower over 24 hours at the 4272 level early Thursday. What's moving? The token has risen 5.05% over a 7-day trailing period. Shib fell over 7% and then 3.68% against Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively over the last 24 hours. Over a period of 90 days, guys, Shib has gained like 504% in it, but it's only fallen about 39 over a 30-day period. Now the Ethereum-based token is touching all-time highs, or was touching all-time highs rather, at the 8845 level in late October. At press time, it traded 51.71% below that level. So why is it moving? Again, it talks about Dogecoin. They kind of go in tandem, right? Who cares, right? Let's get this. And then what's interesting too is about this article that is mentioning a few pieces of old news, right? Stuff about the Newegg kind of agreement and everything going on there, listing on Kraken. But again, it seems that they're mostly just kind of citing this as it's kind of just petering out, or it's kind of just stalling out, if you will, losing steam. Which again, I disagree with that. I want to read this part here before I give my reasons for disagreeing with that. Let me talk down here. So the Wolf of Wall Street, guys, Jordan Belfort himself, said cryptocurrencies such as Doge and Shib have no value and no use. And Belfort said creators of such coins should go to jail. Did you guys hear that? Like, that is, whoa. Jordan Belfort, you of all people, saying that? That's crazy. That's crazy. Especially considering everything that you've done in your life, my friend. But hey, who am I to judge, right? I'm not going to judge anybody. Let people be people, and they will make their mistakes. But let's talk about it, right? So the first things first, this article is basically just citing that Shiba Inu is running out of steam. And again, I do think that we are kind of short, if you will, on catalysts. We're not really getting a lot of new catalysts that have been kind of flowing in. So that is obviously a problem. We need more pieces of news. And two, this coin, just if anything, it needs to be talked about more. There's a lot of people in this market that need to obviously, one, be aware that the coin exists, again, because some people forget. Some people just, forget about the coin entirely. But again, whenever this coin is in the news, whether it's in Twitter, whether it's on StockTwits, whatever it is, once this coin starts trending again, that's when we see these huge breakouts toward the upside. But again, it has to be in the news. It has to be trending, right? So again, I think once we get back to that level, I think then we can see another kind of renewed sense of hype. It's still one of the most active coins daily. A lot of people are still talking about it. So I really don't think it's losing steam. If anything, it needs to get back in the spotlight. I think that's kind of the main goal there. Second, let's talk about the Jordan Belfort take here. So, all right. Well, okay, one, if his claim is true, right, no value, no use. And again, I don't want to judge him for this, because I know a lot of people who are more mainstream in their thinking when it comes to financial, I guess, assets or instruments. They're more considering, oh, well, this stock or this crypto has certain things about it that I don't like, and they don't do any more reading, they don't do any more research. A lot of it is surface level stuff, right? I guarantee he probably saw a meme about it on Twitter. He probably read an article about it. He did something somewhere, I'm sure, that kind of educated him slightly on Shiba Inu, but there wasn't a full education. And again, that was, for the most part, probably why he has this take. And again, if you do even slightly a little bit more research with Shiba Inu, if you look into it, if you watch our videos, I mean, we've been covering this coin for over like 3 months now. This coin has utility. This coin has a use. Dogecoin, absolutely no use, no fundamental use case, nothing going on with that coin, very little, if any, updates going on with that coin. Shiba Inu is being used as a payment source for Newegg, for different huge firms, for that telehealth service that we just looked at. There's millions of other companies that are starting to even consider using Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu has NFTs. There's a constant update. There's a roadmap of improvements. They're making a AAA game. They're doing Shibarium, which is like a blockchain layer 2 type of solution. Like there's so much going on with Shiba Inu on a daily basis that I don't see how you could say that this is a valueless and coin with no use. And the other, I think, stupid. It's just stupid in my opinion. I think that the other claim that he made should go to jail is insane, right? Like these are, if you want to talk about people who should go to jail, go look at the people who rug pulled people. Go look at those like coins that you hear about one day and then you never hear from ever again because the founders made like $4 billion and then they sell all of their supply and then it crashes the coin, right? Go put those people in jail. Those are the people who are actually committing like real financial crimes. The people on Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have not rug pulled anybody. They don't own the majority of the circulating supply. And again, I don't like Dogecoin, but Dogecoin for the most part, from what I can tell, hasn't rug pulled anybody. Again, yes, these coins don't have any value, as far as like real currency, but they have value in that they are used as a payment source, right? That is the value that they derive. Plus the value that people put money into these coins and then they pull it out because they make money, obviously, with it. That's what a lot of people are invested in these coins in the first place to do, to make money, right? So again, I think Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, with that take, not a very good take in my opinion. And I think for the most part, I think he should just, if anything, read a little bit more, do a little bit of more research on some of these coins, and you will find that a lot of the kind of inner workings of these projects are actually much deeper and much more fleshed out than you might previously think. But guys, again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I always love to see your guys' takes and your opinions on just everything that we talk about in these videos. I always think they're very, very interesting, and you guys always have really great points either way. Make sure to like this video, guys, and if you guys want to get a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Again, to get that free stock, all you guys have to do is hit the link, sign up, and deposit $1, guys. At least $1. You guys get the free stock that's worth up to $70. And again, it's a great selection of companies that gets like Google, Amazon, Apple, I believe, and a bunch of others, Tesla, and things like that you guys can hop on there and get a free stock of. And you can start trading Shiba Inu on the platform as well. And follow us because we're trading Shiba Inu on there, on that platform. You can see when we're buying our positions on Shiba Inu. And it's just overall a really, really cool platform that we love to use. So hit the link down in the description below, guys. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.